Hello Robo community! Do you remember when I was showing you the Meltio solution that can turn the robot into a metal printer a while ago? Well, even if you don't, Meltio is a company that specializes in production of industrial metal 3D printing machines that can work both with CNCs and of course with robots. Now they have just upgraded their robot integration by introducing the Meltio Engine V3. In this application, it is integrated with the ABB robot arm. The material used in this application is marine bronze, which is used for boats, ships, components, valves, and even anchors. You can create highly complex parts with machining tolerances in the same process. Thanks to this solution, and thanks to their on-site training, it's really easy to enable the end user to be able to develop new application in very short period of time. So, question to you, what would you print with this amazing solution?